So today we're checking out a Kraken Plus. I left it in the menu for just a minute so you can see that addressable LED matrix doing its thing. We got a real DMD, 3D printed sprinkler grills, topper screen, back glass, 4K Playfield.
I will show you why I am the king of pain.
And this one is nice because it's got a Republic of Gamers PC in there. It's actually the entire computer just stuck in there. A little pricey, but worth it. 10th generation i5, I believe it's 8 gigs of RAM, 500 gig solid state. I believe that one is a M.2. We'll do a little bit of gameplay here so you can hear the solenoids and that addressable LED matrix. Yeah, the ball can get hung up in those top bumpers for a little while. Here in the near future, I'm probably going to be messing around with some surround sound feedback. The vibration motor that I use is more like a Xbox or PlayStation type of feel. I'm thinking about trying a full-on stern shaker motor, see if it walks across the floor. And this being the Plus version, we've got a real lockdown bar, standard rails, backbox hinge. Alright, the castle's knocked down. Alright, we'll see you soon.